Talker 0809. Were you in SUG or something like okay. Do you know I've heard about Professor Chukula, where be doctor. Now art you do. Okay. Okay. Because Professor Chukula, I think she's a professor in anatomy or so. Did you ever meet Ozone? Why they laugh? As I talk, did you meet Ozone? You can't talk anti-cut. OC SARS, I be OC anti-cut. I don't know, no Zone I know. You know Zone from Nnewi, we're tall, gallant, we're there London now. You don't pay now. As I come America 2011, didn't go London like 2012. Me and the Zone they do almost every weekend. But Nnewi I go school. I finish for Nnewi. Ozone they come. Do you know C2 okay Wako? Indo microbiology before you go do medicine. You know go meet them. Ozone way huge. Yeah. Now in the broadcast now. Guy, the last now they talk with somebody. You know about speed sometimes. Coolio. I know Coolio. You know Robinson or Fieli? You know Tobaski? Tobaski do medicine. I think Nabukania in B. Nabukania? You know Okubalo. Lali Okubalo. Lala. They call her Lala. You know so. You know more Debe. You find more Debe. Modus. Nabukania, but you know top. You know, now we will finish up, so. Now. I don't occur between 2-5. What's it be real name? You the SM? Okay. That one there, sir. Ozone na my brother. But na where I go. But you know, say most of them later enter anti-cut because you know men don't old and most of them come back for second degree. So since they can't convert, they make them do anti-cut. You get the one where you know okay somebody then they call them go. Instead of book well, you get like sea leg, you know. Go, like guide them. Then okay, then they call him professor. In the from Ogidi, they drive yellow Mercedes. Did you miss ology? No, the ology go. Ology from Nnewi. Did you miss Igwe banking? In the use lab for Igwe banking. Hello, born. In the stay for MTN hostel around what's the name of this hotel again? No, I think say Viking in B. In the popular, I mean hammer money through G when in the school self. Igwe banking, in they use Green Lab 4. Queen Suits Hotel. MTN hostel for Queen Suits. Now my boy. Queen Suits now go to Nanka and the last one me and go seminary school. Now go to Lion get them for Nanka. Man. Now tell Semo Biko. Give me Semo please. Two. You resemble ology, sir. When I see for the first time, I see saying ology. I know two study people for Oka because I stay over 3 years. What's the name of the filling station? So you graduated from Unizik 28.
Yeah. I got Unizik
23. Which course you do? Now post degree, how many years you do them? For one course. Because the way I'm looking at you, you're up to 45 years. So if you say you graduated 28, then it shouldn't be your first course. Huh? You 42? Let me say you graduate on time, sir.
That $10 for outside.
If you
outside.
How can they buy?
One woman, I want to clean up.
I want to get on two players there.
One woman in there now here.
Hopefully.
My customer. She doesn't see no that one going. See, no, what I
don't want to let's say put that dog away. I the top can name you. I don't want to let's say put that dog away. I the few say you don't give back to me, sir. Almost 16,000 naira. I go send that to my wife when they're pregnant for Nigeria. Okay, that's link the paper. Can you send this thing? Sing this thing for me. Oh, my mom be this, so you know, say I know. It doesn't say I know be anybody. Me and I go to the same school. He don't buy 2 shoes for me, sir. He don't buy 2 shoes for me, sir. Now my fellow sick guy, because he no get respect. Every time I go, he go bang on me. Go trash this thing, I beg. Sled them before I steal my social security. Oh, bring me 2 more for the win-win. Hey. My uncle gets estate for Oka now. Interval construction. He get road stuff. I'm a $10 I just threw away now. I miss Oka. But if I go Nigeria, I know if I go back to Nigeria, if you know my real brother or a few cousins, me and you is not meeting. Because Nigeria has changed. The people you trust will betray you over nothing. Over a dime. You know? You give person $50 and go say since you're American, and what do you do for them? I go tell them making hustle. People go call me for phone, say I advise them money. I say, when I market my shoes online, you don't need to go and hustle it. These days, everything on the internet. Just put it there. Sell, no sell. I go look out for your data, look out for you. I go say which one to make them begin sample sneakers on social media. But me, whether America 15 years, they carry shoe for car, they sell. I say you're never hungry. Now if hunger wire you, nobody will remind you to hustle. On a big truck you they drive. Huh? Dutch Ram. Is that a truck? 14-wheeler truck?
Just a regular heavy duty truck.
What are you transporting? Oh, you ship cars in this side. You carry them to carry car. You they put car inside the land. Okay, the trailer. You they pack car inside the trailer. Okay, I get what you mean. Oh wow. Now good business. So if the car fall, who go pay for them insurance? It must be a expensive insurance. I know, because my friend that do over TCP, he pays over 2,000, but it's a $1 million bond. I already know. I used to do over 212, 213. Yes, 2. Yeah. Thank you. Give me 1 Guinness. My elder go pay. Now my student for school. I mean teacher. Hurry up before I change your mind. Oh, you don't know who I be. I tell you, say, if we dare Niger, for you to be my gate man, you go write application letter. Then I go review am for 1 year. I make a make person small boy. When I be Mr. Unizik himself, you know if you wash my clothes. My brother, life was hard on me, man. 215 to 220, I had a major depression. I was in rehab for 5 years. But God has taken care. Because this thing, tinye na shrink am. Like, no, it's shrink. My documents, my social security back
Please, all put your fufu, give me what's my business.
Okay, I forget say no go school. Put them for water. Make it so. Oh, but you know. Oh, but give me 1 Guinness. I did serious. So things have changed. LAPD have given me right to do what the fuck I want in America.
After a loss since the 2023 season,
When you do a kind of, you go meet OC SARS now and they'll be also. I know them one-on-one. I don't disarm one guy for. No, but I can get it. When I misplaced my phone and lost it, I used to have everybody's number. Late 2010, one guy one thief me for Oguta Road for Chike House. For Obana, before a Chike House, one beer parlor. They won't carry my iPhone. I use bot to disarm him. You know, say the letter where they give this guy carrying an MPF. 8 blades still there. The woman will get there, tell me say they take risk. Say one guy come from Spain for Easter. The one carrying phone, he refused, they shoot him there. He die. No abuse than those sisters I give him. A cool guy. I don't know what I'm still there alive. You do anti-cut? Okay. Did you meet a Bell okay guy? He was the House of Rep member. I don't forget. But he was a very smart student. He was in Unizik those days.
I rock Unizik well.
That one then.
I was, how do I put it? Anytime I go up, anytime I go
You still there go Aka now? You still know people. If you go there, go see people where you sabi.
Now, who are the go meet now? My mom is
I foresee.
family.
I foresee.
Inside family, they took care of me very well. They get house for a coca.
You suppose know Robinson of here. Papa be chief medical director for Nandazigo Teaching Hospital over 25 years.
Each time I visit,
He was the CMD as of 2005. I got there till about 2016-17 before Obaja entered. Then get Holy Cross Hospital for Newi. But na Vicky boy sure. You know Bugsy?
I know Bugsy. I know one Bugsy.
Okay, no, this one do medicine na Buccaneer. In Hood. In Hood get big head and they wear glasses. You not gonna know these people. Now medicine they do, and they with them there, except the few where do microbiology before they come. Into microbiology. Which then graduate? No, this Bugsy was a student, was a medical student, 252, 210. So he no go be but he do microbiology too. He end the anti-cut, but na Buccaneer, Bugsy, in good, get big head, they wear glasses. Then okay, Obaga was my roommate in Papa na former minister of Power still. In Mama na commissioner of health for Bonny State Obaga. They call him Baggy.
Kevin back with the current rate on Baton Rouge, potentially the big story in tonight's primetime game in Death Valley. The rain, Holly Rowe with much more now. Texas A&M and LSU.
They come football. They look as you there for LA night. They just come where and they play ball, look around. You don't have to participate, socialize. Abby.
2 to 3 days this week. Each quarterback works with
Oh, you're married to a white person? For real? When they get too long? Oh. Oh, wow. When I meet online? Oh, wow. Hey, why they say can't scatter now? She try, or you try too. But it happen. But I'd rather marry Oyibo than black. Yeah. I don't know why they do like that. You go meet the person. Abby? Small time, I'm going to tell you, say, now your papa selling papa. But now we then they're hot now.
We treat them better than their opponents, so they naturally see us as offensive.
Staff there is the
You know, when you're nice to a woman, a woman doesn't appreciate the nice man.
Have you?
They are one of the most reasonable teams in the country. More after this.
Except an older woman, we know the value of the
It could be true, because I remember one girl.
older woman, we know the value of a man. So that the woman gets older, she understands that she needs a man beside her.
It could be true. You get one girl where they date when I did junior secondary. You know, so they tip my mama $100 give the girl early late 90s. $100. My mama, you know where they put in money? Eh? If they get naira for bank, you. But then I know whether she know one girl dollar account, I mean for convenience. For ban, you know what in a ban where they put yam. You can go to hide them under the yam. If I want to go back to school, you can say, make I call my siblings, go to America, say money no day. I go say, I don't go to school. You go tell me, say, in the come. You go enter, where go to the stay. Come out, give me $100. I can ask myself whether go to the shit dollar. She talk, say money no day. One day I come track her. I say, eh? Mama say you be millionaire. Once in a while, I go help her. Arrange her. One day she tell me, say she feel say somebody they call me. I say, how person go come? See like $1,000 correct? Only one, leave the other ones. I say, no count well, no be thief be that. Thief go come collect everything. She said that. What did I do my mama? Eh? If I like you and people know who, I go carry my mama. My mama get like 8 boxes of wrapper, brand new, where she never touched. Like now, for her to go to Nigeria, then go ship her clothes for container differently. That's what she get for Canada. So some girls where their parents know too, I go tip my mama, wrapper, dash their mama. Go carry rice and yam, give her. If I come there, the mama go tell the girl, make she follow me enter room. Forget you. Money and everything. I mean, I don't understand that then. And if you say, maybe the woman just like me, but I let her begin listening that instead of something, they bring something. You get one when telling the daughter herself, say, this is where they do. If this guy leave you, you go come out this house. That one, she they do baka. I go paint their house. One could get paint industry. Aegis paint industry. You don't have money. Home pride paint. I mean, they see small money, and they hustle phones then. It don't cost more than 300,000 then. Paint, just paint and buy small cotton, put there. I go call the girl, she no go pick. If I call the girl, she no go pick, I go call the mama. The mama go tell me, say she go call me back in 10 minutes now. And the girl say I no marry that girl. Yeah. Because the parents were separated and the pressure was too much on her mom. Now me initiate and pressure her to do nursing. I know how much I contributed to her nursing education. Then we still the date. We did 25, 26, 27, 28. As I graduate, I tell my people say I want make them send me invitation. They tell me say I go work for local hospital. I say them mad for 15,000 naira. When me they make 50,000 from one phone if I go post for a makeup or a Ikeja. You know, so I see they go visit this girl. She don't tell me say she don't marry. The girl why they date for like 5 years now. I see they go around, she still they come around. No, na person wife, na no go call now. She don't tell me. Now the last one why I come. On America, get her. The last one why I come. The mama tell me say whether I no go. Say nice, don't they come. I just say I me they talk to. You will be say if I come before you go leave house, come out self. Tell the babe make she open leg go. I say what's in the sub? You tell me I go outside. I say now wow, now today. He come up pictures show me. Tell me say he no say her daughter no go one time me say she don't marry. Say we no go to do this thing again. Say she don't marry for Easter. Say she get belle herself. I asked her how do we know who get the belle? I said what kind of joke is that? Guy fashion. Our people and the girl they get cry say now the mama push her this and that this there. Say I know that financial situation. You know this 60 days my visa out they come out. The girl tell me say when she come out the baby where she carry. Say how can she date me for 5 years and sleep in another man's bed? I said how can you date me for 5 years and they bring your money, your mama correct. You don't even tell me self. Me wait for almost 600,000 for your school fee as a nursing student. If you get issue, na me go call the Reverend Sisters where they command the school for Ihara, Our Lady of Rose. Now forget Nigeria woman no. Now picking I just need man. I mean if you're lucky to have a good woman then you live long, but if you're not lucky man you turn a poet. The Bible said it's better to live on the branch of a tree than to live in a house with a skillful woman. You don't hear that before? And it talks say even if she loves you, but she's not submissive, walk away. That is the what internet destroyed these days. Girls you're not supposed to be bad girls. Internet don't fuck them up. Person where they date. I go tell them say, no, we get time they yarn. You go tell me say she they do TikTok or she they do online prayer. Now the pastor go marry you. I say, get the fuck out from here. If you tell me say they do coding or they do better something for internet, now different thing. Say they do TikTok video. They do TikTok video, but eventually that TikTok don't fit buy you that herself where you go use sub. It's so unfortunate. I married 2011, but it didn't work out. But I'm not regretting it anymore. Eh? Now you are one married now. I've married only once in my life. Now what? Yeah, I married before I was coming here. I can show the court paper. Now the girl go the fucking former boyfriend though. I go call him for weekend, then go say phone no the work. You don't know say my cousin they go the same school with her. My cousin tell me I don't believe. She sent me video. Enter the girl phone screen, shut her. Girl, why I tell me she know they work for hospital for 25,000. Make she go be manager for my shop. They collect like 80,000 monthly. I'm not able to tell what I'm asking now. Now market at the concert here now. Don't worry, I'm